weekend project right here. Put in a lot more gravel underneath my lean-to that you guys have liked that I built. A lot of people have been commenting on that and using that instructional video to do the same thing. I didn't want to do a carport, or concrete back here, but you can see it's way back behind my house back here and way back here. So I did a little gravel driveway, and I'm also going to continue the gravel all the way right here. Went ahead and raked that out. Moved all the stuff we got stored. Look a little bit like a hoarder. Comment below if you think so. And I'm just gonna match it up right here. Put all the gravel right here, even right here behind this, because this is where the rain falls. I don't think you guys saw this on my last video too. Went ahead and did a hardy right there, so it's impenetrable, so it will never rot, even though I did do just a little tape back here behind it for moisture. It's not needed. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this and see how it turns out. There you go. Let's begin. Enough.
Really big ones. See? That. Got a hill.
Yeah, much better. I like this a lot better. I typically love all this Simpson strong tie stuff that you've seen all my previous videos, but today I'm looking for a little angle to go between my two beams. This is what I have right here. This is a Mitech angle 2x4x2 4-inch. This will support my 2x6 board going across my beams. After I kind of got this set up a little bit, I decided to do a couple more shelves right here. I'm about to build these out. I'm gonna do another little ledger shelf right here above my workbench, keep that clear. You'll see how it comes out. I'll be able to hang things like this, the little cloppers, little bolt cutters, couple pliers, my drill, all these things I think will be readily available right here, right above my workbench. I'm not using Simpson strong ties on this project, as I just showed you from Home Depot, but I do love these connectors. This is just a number 9 1.5 inch, but I love the fact that you can stick them over here on your drill, and this appears to be level. And nice and firm. So yesterday I installed these shelves with the surge protector back here on the back here, because I don't have the whole house finished yet. This is screwed in. I screw in this. It's gonna be a nice little ledge to put things like, here's my paint bucket. So things I love to use and will use frequently. Right here, different color caps, all this stuff. Love this. And by the way, Rust-Oleum 2 times, worth the money. So you can see all this stuff. Love it. This stuff right here, the cheap stuff, is terrible. Stay away from it. Absolutely terrible. You have to buy 3 times the amount of cans to get the finished product of this. Oh my. just nice to have this stuff right in front of you when you're doing projects, right above my workbench right here. So this is gonna be perfect. Even off or whatever, mosquitoes. Have this fan that's helping out a lot. Even have this little burning incense thing right here. This is Murphy's Naturals. Helps out just keeping things, but between the fan and all the everything, this is pretty nice. Love just having little hangers for everything, right? Like my tape measure, just I'm gonna have everything hung up here. Like I said, bolt cutters, clippers, all that stuff will be hanging. It's getting late and it's always hard to explain everything I'm doing, but here's the shelf I put up, and you can see again paint, all my readily available tools. My drill hangs right here, weed eater wire, wire brush for different things. I always use these snips for various things. Just have a radio up here, and then over here I told you my wood storage, and I have 3 of these boxes that I bought years ago. It's fun for putting things in there. It keeps them weather tight, weatherproof, pretty secure. So I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3, and that's gonna be my storage. You can see everything's level right here, and this is what this looks like. There's 1, then I'm gonna do 2 and 3 right below it. So I have these pretty secure. I have my planer in there. I have some framing nailers in there. I have some long wrenches in there. I'm just having to deal with what I have back here, which is open air area. I don't have a garage, so I'm having to make do with what I have, but this will be pretty cool. All done back here. Wood storage there underneath. There's some cover storage, so I don't have a garage, and workbench. And above my workbench, I have a lot of tools I use frequently. Just put that stuff up there. Air compressor, little battery pack, sink that we're going to use eventually one day, and propane heater when it gets warm or cold in the winter. And then I have this fan that keeps me cool back here when I'm working. What do you think, bud?
Looks great.